Greetings, Darlene here from Darlene's Garden Channel. Today's video is about making something that I don't want to eat very much of because I really like it. I haven't used this particular recipe, but it sounded so easy and I think I can do it. And I had a request for something similar. I had a request from a person named Christopher. Christopher, if you're watching, hi. He requested peppermint fudge, if I remember correctly. Well, this isn't going to be peppermint fudge, but it's going to be the closest thing that I can come up with based on the ingredients that I happen to have at my house. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to put 2 ingredients in this recipe, and my measurements are not going to be very precise. I'm going to put, these are semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mine are Kirkland brand, which you probably figured out come from Costco. Okay, so I've got several handfuls of them in there. Okay, chocolate needs to be melted, but the easiest way to melt chocolate without risking burning the chocolate is to warm up the next ingredient that I'm putting in, which is heavy cream. Now, what I'm doing next is a little bit of an experiment because I don't have any, quote, heavy cream. But I have well, this particular can doesn't say heavy cream. It says made with real cream. A can that I had earlier that actually got empty said heavy cream on it. So I think this might work. Anyway, I squirted it into the bowl, and I need to warm it up. I'm going to warm it up in the microwave. Don't want it to boil or anything. I just want it to get hot. So I'll come back in a minute when that has happened. Okay, this looks pretty hot. It's kind of liquidy. I'm going to pour it into the chocolate. And then I'm going to stir. And the hot from the cream should melt the chocolate. It's starting to happen a little bit. I think if I let it get just a little bit hotter, it might have happened faster. And I can put this whole thing in the microwave for a few seconds to hasten the progress. I think I'll do that. So I'll be back in a second. There. See how it's all melted and shiny. Now this has to sit in the refrigerator for an hour or so to get firm. Not hard, but firm so that you can roll it up into, oh, I need to look where I'm filming, up into a little ball. So we'll go ahead and come back in. Well, it's going to be a split second for you, but it'll be an hour or so for me. Here, if I can get that to turn off. Before I put this in the refrigerator, I realized I forgot one important detail. I need to put peppermint in it. So I have peppermint essential oil, and I'm not putting very much in because it's pretty strong. 1, 2, 3. I'll do one more. There we go. About 4 drops. Because this stuff's pretty strong, and I don't want it to be overpowering. So I'll stir that in good. There we go. Okay, these sat in the refrigerator for a little over an hour, probably close to 2 hours. I'm going to get a spoon out of the drawer here. And what we're going to do is take, oh yeah, that's nice and firm. Take a spoonful and roll it into a ball. And I'm going to, so that it has a little bit of dressing on the outside, I'm going to put a little bit of Splenda in a bowl and use it as if it was powdered sugar. So I'm going to take this and roll it in the Splenda. Oh yeah, there. See that? That's what that looks like. And I'll do another one here. There's another one. And I'm putting these on a cookie sheet that has a piece of parchment paper on it. We'll see how many of them I get. When I love the chocolatey hands, don't you? And they're not perfectly round, but I think that's probably okay. All right, I'll show you when I get them all done. All right, that made a dozen, and you could adjust how many you make by adjusting the amount of chocolate chips and cream that you mix together. Here's what they, and I had just a little tad left over after the dozen. It made a small one. It went directly into my stomach, and yum, yum, yummo. So I would say this was a successful venture. So that's my video for today. I will see you on the next video. May the good Lord richly bless you.